Hello everyone, I'm Anthony and you're very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. Have you ever been at an event or a show and heard someone say, "Give a big hand for," or "Let's give a big hand to"? I'm going to explain the idiom "give a big hand" and include examples in the workplace and social situations, so you'll come away from this video feeling more confident about using it. To give a big hand to someone means to clap for somebody or to give them a round of applause. This idiom is used when introducing someone and to give a show of appreciation for that person. Here are some examples you might hear in social situations. So, without further delay, give a big hand for our musician for the evening, Mr. Logica. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all give a big hand for little Jeremy, who's 7 years old and who wrote a song all by himself. Can we all give a big hand for the youngest grandchild in our family who got amazing results in his leaving certificate last weekend? Here are some examples you might hear in professional situations. So, can I get a big hand for Employee of the Month for June, Mr. Kavanagh? I'd like to introduce our newest member of the team. Give a big hand for Miss Logica. Can I get a big hand for the man that made it all possible, our company's leader and visionary for the future, Mr. Ronald? Where did you hear the expression, "give a big hand"? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in the workplace.